Sujal Patel here, co-founder of ContentMarketer.io. I want to do a quick demo on how to use Content Marketer for business development and networking purposes. So I recently moved to Austin, Texas, and I wanted to find out who are the top marketers and founders and pretty much entrepreneurs, people I would want to hang out with and essentially meet. So I did a quick Google search on the top marketers in Austin. I did the same thing for the top founders. I found a couple posts, specifically this one and this one. The simplest thing to do is to scan this post into ContentMarketer.io. And essentially what this will do is find all these people's email and Twitter. And essentially what I'm going to do is I want to email them. While I'm waiting for this one, I'm going to scan this post as well. And for the purpose of this video, I went ahead and scanned this post so we don't have to wait. When you're at this page, you essentially want to do some scrubbing to make sure you're contacting the best person and the right person. So it'll take a few minutes, but don't worry. It's very easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm essentially going to scrub for links it found that were in other parts of the navigation or things that are contact information that's clearly wrong. And sometimes we find a couple people's email addresses in one search, so I like to find the best one. In this case, Gene Simmons, probably don't want to contact him, so I'm going to remove them. And if you ever see a .edu, it's typically a false positive, but don't worry. You can quickly remove it. So I've done and cleaned up my list, and in this case, if there's a few emails that it found that were, or a few contact information that it found that was not, that it couldn't find the email addresses. So I'm just going to go ahead and email or reach out to them via Twitter. So once you do that, you can start the outreach. And what I essentially want to do is just reach out and ask them to maybe grab lunch or simply let them know, hey, I'm here. So I'm going to click on Outreach Ideas, which we have a few templates for you to choose from. In this case, I'm going to write my own. I'm going to simply just say, hey, I moved to Austin. And you can include dynamic parameters like first and many more. And there you have it. You can simply hit the next steps, send a test email to yourself, and hit send. And all the contacts in here will get an email. The great thing about using this is it's a fast way to build your list and find out who to network with and business development for business development purposes. You can use it for sales and so many more. But this is how I use it when I moved into the local area. Well, hopefully this was helpful and gave you a few ideas of how you can use ContentMarketer.io in your business. Awesome.